Hey, what's up, y'all? Jason here. Wanted to shoot a real quick video for you guys. I was out here. I've got some extra plants that I had started along with my plants, and I figured why not grow them out, set up a little stand, and share the love, right? Got me thinking some of the prices on these plants, the prices I see at the store. Wanted to shoot a quick video for you guys, how to get free tomato plants. Okay, now this is going to be this is not going to be anything new for some people, okay? But you know, there's constantly people that are learning new things. You know, what one may know, another may have not had a chance to learn yet. So I'm going to share this with you real quick. So let's say you bought a tomato plant. I know, the video is how to get free tomato plants. I'm already talking about buying one. Maybe somebody gifted it to you, okay? So anyways, you've got a tomato plant. And let's say you've paid $10 or $15 for this tomato plant. What is this? Green zebra. Good looking plant. I'm going to go ahead and show you right here, if you don't already know, how a tomato plant works. Most plants, you know, you put them in the ground too deep, it's not good, it can kill them. A tomato plant, however, can grow roots anywhere along this stem that makes contact with the soil. It can root down and form new roots. I'm going to show you something right here. So this right here, so we have our main stem. Get my finger out of the way. We have our main stem of the tomato plant coming up. Then we have a leaflet branch right here. And right in the middle, we have this little shoot popping out. We have one right here, a little one right here. And we got a really good one right here up at the top where it's starting to fruit. So we've got like 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got, you know, a good 6 or 7 right now. What are called sucker branches, okay? And as the name implies, these suck strength from the main part of the tomato plant. If I were into pruning this, I would go ahead and break all these off to go ahead and let the main part of the plant have all that strength back. Okay, this is not about pruning a tomato plant though. Every one of these suckers, they will snap off. I'll show you one right here because you don't have to cut them off. They literally are like designed to snap right off where they're supposed to. Okay, so you can take that little sucker and put it in the camera. There we go. You can take that little sucker right there. You can do one of two things. You can either put it into a cup of water, keep it inside or in a sunny window until it forms roots, or you can stick it straight. You can put that, here we go, there we go, try to do this right. You can put that little piece right into some rich potting soil or some rich soil. Keep it damp, don't let it dry out, keep it damp. It will form roots and there is a whole new free green zebra. Do this early enough, yes, this will form a tomato plant. It will give you tomatoes before the end of the season. So if you don't already know, now you know. Hope it can help somebody out. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, how about subscribing? Consider giving this video a thumbs up. And until the next one, guys, love y'all. God bless. Hope you're growing something.